I'm Christine Rankin and I'm standing in the Taupō General Ward. Well, look, it's obvious that rates are really the biggest problem for people in this district at the moment. It's of huge concern to everyone, and I think we've got to take that very seriously. Every single dollar in the future has to be examined in a way that we have never done it before, and we've got to look for other sources of income. Well, I have a lot of experience. I've been in local government for over 20 years. I've been a leader in New Zealand for the last 40. I think that I bring a lot. I'm very courageous, I'm very strong, and I will do things and say things and fight for things that other people might find very, very difficult. I think I represent people very strongly and very well, and I'm very interested in what matters to them. Well, I have talked about rates, and that is a challenge nationwide, but it's certainly having an effect on us. But we're a split community at the moment, and that's arisen because of the Joint Management Agreement. And if we don't manage that, it is going to split us in half for the foreseeable future. And that is an awful, awful position for Taupō District to be in. And we have to consider that really seriously and find our way forward for both sides. And I hate to describe it as both sides, but that's the reality.